I used to be terrified of showing my face on YouTube, but now I can't stop talking to the camera. Here's how I did it. Hi, welcome back or welcome if you're new here. Starting a YouTube channel might feel terrifying, especially if you're an introvert like me. But here's the thing, it's totally possible. And it might even become something you love. Today, I want to share my journey, how I faced my fears, and some tips that helped me along the way. So, if you're an introvert thinking about starting a YouTube channel, stick around, this is for you. I started my channel feeling completely out of my depth. I was scared of being judged, especially by people who knew me. At first, I didn't even show my face. If you check out my videos, my first videos, I just vlogged whatever was in front of me and not showing my face. Not even saying a single word to the camera, not even a voiceover. And honestly, at that time, that felt safe for me. But eventually, I realized that I wanted to connect more deeply with my audience. And that's when I decided to push myself. I started to show my face and even talking to the camera, like I'm doing right now. Even though my English made me feel insecure, and it still does. And you know what? It was hard at first. But with practice, I started to feel more comfortable every time. Even now, I stumble over words. But like, it doesn't even bother me that much anymore. Practice really does make the difference. One of the biggest fears I had was feeling like everyone was watching me and judging me. But the truth, at first at least, almost no one is watching. And that's actually a blessing in disguise. You get the chance to experiment, mess up, or figure things out without the pressure of a big audience. It's like your own little practice stage. Once I realized that, it felt so much easier to hit that record button. This might sound weird, but talking to a camera as an introvert can feel comfortable. You are technically talking to yourself in the moment, and there's no one around to make you nervous. You can pause, redo, and say things exactly how you want to. Over time, I realized that the camera became a safe space where I could be myself. And eventually, that confidence spills over when you're actually interacting with your audience. If recording feels scary, don't worry. You can build your confidence before you even hit record. One thing that helped me was to practice in front of a mirror. I talked to myself just pretending there was a camera in front of me. Another trick is to record just your voice first. It's a great way to get comfortable with the idea of expressing yourself without worrying about how you look. These small steps makes the whole process way less intimidating. As an introvert, you don't need to be super outgoing or over the top on YouTube. Just be yourself. For me, it started with quiet, casual vlogs that felt authentic to who I was. Over time, I stepped out of my comfort zone little by little, like trying sit down videos or adding a voiceover on my videos. You don't need to do it all at once. Take it slow, and you'll find what actually works for you. When I first started YouTube, I was worried what the people who I knew would think about me starting and making videos. What if they find my videos and make fun of me? But honestly, the more I focused on what I enjoyed, sharing my life, connecting with others, helping others build their confidence, the less I cared about their opinions. Remember, the right people will support you and the others don't even matter. One thing that I love about YouTube is that it doesn't have to be perfect in one take. You can edit out mistakes or add effects or even re record until you are completely happy with the results. Editing is like a safety net. It helps you present your best self while taking off the pressure of being perfect. When I look back at my earliest videos, I can't help but laugh a little. I was so awkward, my editing was choppy, and I had no idea what I was actually doing. But seeing how far I've come reminds me that it's okay to start small. You don't need to have it all figured out. Just start and let yourself grow along the way. Here's the thing, there are so many introverts who are so successful in YouTube right now. Some of the biggest creators started out shy, nervous, or afraid to put themselves out there. But they kept going, and now they have built amazing communities. If they can do it, why not you? Starting a YouTube channel as an introvert might feel scary, but trust me, it's worth it. You don't need to be outgoing or perfect, you just need to be you. Take small steps, practice, and focus on what makes you happy. The hardest part is starting, but once you do, you'll see how much fun it can be. So, if you have been thinking about starting your own channel, let this be your sign. Just hit record and remember, you got this.